What is up, guys? Welcome back to Lo-Fi Cooking. Today, we're gonna be tackling one of my favorite things in the world, fried chicken. Today's version is a shallow fried whole spring chicken with just a few ingredients. So for this recipe, we're gonna be using a small chicken of around 900 grams. Anything bigger and you'll end up with the outside being overcooked while the inside remains raw. We're gonna marinate this with some garlic for some aroma, some calamansi, that's a bit on the riper side for acidity and some sweetness, and some fish sauce for some nice umami. So first we're gonna prepare the marinade by roughly chopping about 8 cloves of garlic, and then juicing about 8 small calamansi, and combining it with around 1/4 of a cup of fish sauce and some freshly ground black pepper. And then we're gonna spatchcock the chicken. Just cut down along the entire spine on both sides. If you have kitchen shears, it would be easier for this task. And then we're gonna mix the marinade with the chicken, making sure that everything is well coated. We're gonna marinate this anywhere from 2 hours to overnight, and in that time we should be turning it once in a while just to make sure that everything is well coated. After marinating, and this step is optional, we're gonna lightly bread the chicken in seasoned flour. So for this, get about 3.5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, a generous sprinkling of salt, a teaspoon of paprika, a few shakes of cayenne, and some black pepper. Mix this all up, and then lightly coat the chicken, making sure to get into all the nooks and crannies. Add some of the garlic as well because it's gonna get nice and toasty when you're frying it. Now we're ready to fry. We're just going to shallow fry this chicken because I don't recommend you deep frying a whole chicken at home. It can be quite dangerous. So in a large heavy bottom pot, heat up some oil to around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Or if you don't have a thermometer, you can use the chopstick method, which is dipping some chopsticks, and if some bubbles come up, it should be ready for frying. Then we carefully slip in the chicken, skin side down first. After around 5 minutes, turn it over so the other side can get crispy as well. In total, you want to be frying both sides for a total of at least 15 minutes on each side. After that, you can carefully remove the chicken. And let it dry on a paper towel. Now I know this isn't exactly picture perfect because we just shallow fried it. But it doesn't mean that it lacks in flavor because this came out super juicy and flavorful. The calamansi gives some nice acidity to make you want more, and the fish sauce gave it a whole lot of umami as well. That's it, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.